Hello, darlings. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. If you're another YouTuber, let me know down in the comments and I will sub you back. Now have yourself a marvelous holiday season. Hello, darlings. It's Brandy here. Today I have a really cute 5D Madam Glam set, but first, it's shameless promotion time. Okay, y'all, one of my ambassadors, Sassy Fantasy, she has put together this $25 euro rupee, wherever you come from, giveaway, okay? You have to have a PayPal account. That is the first most important thing because that's where you would receive your winnings from, okay? And it's really, really simple. You can donate $5 to my PayPal. For each $5, you get one entry. Same thing for Cash App. If you place an order on the website, every $5 is one entry, and that is the price excluding shipping, but including the money that gets taken off for the ambassador discount, okay? So please, please, please consider doing this. It would be wonderful, and the boost of sales would really, really help me out. If you live overseas from me and the shipping is too much for you on the website, there is the donation part that you can do. And I mean, this little bit would just help me out so much. And if you are not interested in nail products, or you cannot or don't want to be a part of this, can you please at least share, so that maybe, you know, someone else might. Please and thank you. Mwah, mwah. Hello, darlings. I just want to thank everyone that's wished me a happy birthday. I greatly appreciate the love and support. And don't forget about our raffle giveaway. Spend $5 to win 25. Okay, and the last thing for this beginning part, Miss Hillbilly's creativity, Leslie, she is close to being monetized. She needs watch time, so please go and watch some of her videos. Her playlist will be in the description box along with the website and the PayPal and all that other stuff. Okay, now let us get into these short Madam Glam nails. Okay, y'all, here is the Madam Glam set. I am using Ready, Set, Ski, Aspen Glam, and Perfect White. And I had said in a previous video, I'm going to start changing up the lengths and the shapes of my nails. I mean, my sweet spot is the XXL, but I just want to, you know, get some different looks popping up over here. My code for Madam Glam is in the bottom corner, so if you are not interested in the VIP program, you can still save 30% on your order by using my code. I do have to say that this blue is so pigmented and so beautiful. It's stunning. I absolutely love it. And when, see what happened was, I am a little bit addicted to the 5D stickers. They have them in the Aliexpress coin section, so instead of paying like $2.75, you end up paying like 80 cents or so. So I bought quite a few of them. And I'm not gonna lie, I pretty much copied this straight from the AliExpress picture. I did swap a few things up, but yeah, I loved the stickers. I loved the way that the set that they showed looked, and honestly, it wouldn't have fit on a XXL set anyway, so I wanted to do something that would complement the stickers but still make them really, really awesome. And that Aspen Glam is a reflective polish, if you can't tell. To make reflective polishes pop, if you don't know, is you need to have a semi-darkened room with a bright light shining on it. So that means flash photography. Like when I was filming, I just turned off all the other lights and turned on my flashlight, and that gave it what it needed, you know, to make it pop, pop, pop. But in regular light, it just looks like a really beautiful glitter. So keep that in mind if you are looking at reflective polishes. But I mean, this one is stunning. This one is stunning in regular light as well as the flash. Now with this one, I whipped out my matte top coat from Lovcarrie on Aliexpress. It is my favorite matte top coat. I need to get a new one because the bottle's a little, yeah, I need a new one. But when it came to the balls ornament thing sticking down there, it would not lay flat. And I thought that with the smaller nails, like they don't have a big C curve, so I wasn't even considering that they wouldn't lay flat. So I decided to matte the two blue nails and use regular top coat on the white ones just because I knew I was going to have a problem with that sticker. So I ended up using nail glue to make sure that it actually stayed down and then top coated over it again. So with this, I was trying to decide which way I wanted it to go, up or down, because it didn't quite fit. It was just a little bit too big. So I got it the way around that I wanted it, if you will. But you can see that the top part was, you know, extending further than the nail. So I'm just using my little eyebrow scissors and I'm trying to get off all that extra boxiness, because with the 5D stickers, some of them are almost like old school 90s like puffy stickers, and they give you a hard time. Like even this one that is on the ring finger, it ended up sticking, but it was, yeah, it was kind of giving me a hard time. So I love the 5D stickers, but I mean, sometimes applying them leaves something to be desired. Okay, I'm not even gonna lie. But I still love the way that this one looks. So whenever you have stickers or anything like that that's hanging over the edge and you're not comfortable with cutting it, you go through the motions and then you can file off whatever edges and everything. I'll show you near the end what I did to fix it. And like I said, when I use any type of stickers, I completely bend and I mess up the sheet, okay? But it doesn't affect the stickers themselves, no matter how beat up the sheet looks at the end. And it keeps me from ripping stickers because, I mean, these 5D ones are pretty sturdy, but I've gotten into the habit of doing them with all different types of stickers because you never know what the thickness is going to be until you get it off, right? So like I said, I made the blue stickers matte, and yes, I did top coat over them. Even though they do have little, I wouldn't call them gems, but they're like acrylic gems maybe. So the white I am giving the regular shiny top coat. The two blue are matte, and then of course the glitter one is glossy regular top coat as well. Now this one still was giving me a little bit of a hard time sticking. And here is the little touch up that I made for the sweater nail, and I am using a very, very, very fine grit file. Like it's almost useless, but that will help you not tear up the nail completely like a 180 grit file would. So, yeah, and I went around the top as well with this one because, you know, wherever I cut it, I wanted it to just, you know, fix the shape and just make it look neat and pretty and everything. So super easy, quick, and fast. Here is the finished set. I forget how quickly short sets can be painted sometimes. So here is everything, like I said, and the sweater nail and the pinky nail, you know, they were shaped up back perfect. I think it looks great. Tell me what you think down in the comments. Please don't forget about Leslie's watch time and of course our giveaway. Please enter if you haven't, and if you can't or you don't want to, then please share. And of course, don't forget the YouTube-y stuff, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell, all that stuff to help us with our algorithms. It's a cheap, free, and easy way to support any YouTuber, not just me. I was playing around with the lighting here. I'm trying to find the best lighting. So I'm sorry about all the little flashy whatever's going on there. The links for Leslie's playlist, the website, my PayPal link, all that information is listed down below. So please, 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 and thank you. And I think that's about it. Thanks so much for watching. Have a marvelous day. And thanks again. Mwah.